Detox juices are an effective method to rejuvenate your body and improve your overall health. As a matter of fact, a natural detox drink, with the right combination of ingredients, can be extremely useful if you want to remove uric acid from your body. For those who don't know, uric acid is a byproduct created when the body breaks down substances called purines. Purines come from certain foods and drinks you consume. Under normal circumstances, you never really have to worry about having too much uric acid, because your kidneys will expel them. Complications occur only when your body is producing more uric acid than it can clear out. The two best things you can do to avoid any problems is to make sure to do the following. Drink plenty of water every day to stay hydrated. Keep your kidneys healthy. In the event that your body still has an excess of uric acid, try the following detox recipe. Lemon celery detox juice to remove uric acid. Ingredients: 2 ribs of celery, ginger root, 1-inch piece, 1 peeled lemon. Make sure to keep as much of the white flesh as possible. 1 medium cucumber, 1 cup of pineapples. Instructions: cut all the ingredients into small pieces and throw everything into a juicer and blend. You should consume this detox drink twice a day to remove uric acid or until your condition improves. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.